Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Dr. Clara, and in today's lesson, I will be talking about dental implants. Just to remind you that all the information that is bolded and highlighted in blue is something I've seen come up on exams, so try to remember those. Let's get going. There are three main types of dental implants. So we have the subperiosteal implants, which are, as the name suggests, placed under the periosteum. And there's usually a metal framework that is placed in between the bone and the periosteum, along with the dental implants. And this is all holding the prosthodontic work in place. So remember, these are not actually in bone. Next, there are transosteal implants, and these are far more invasive than the last ones because they go through the whole bone. And you can see it very